New tonight at 11, tomorrow marks 2 years since Jennifer Farber Dulos disappeared. The New Canaan mother was last seen dropping her kids off at school. Feared dead, police believe her estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, killed her. Fotis Dulos' former girlfriend and attorney, they're all expected to be involved. Now, Channel 3 Waterbury Bureau Chief Dennis Valera is live in our newsroom right now. Dennis, I understand one of them is going to be in court this week.
Yes, that's right, Kevin. Michelle Triconis, Fotis Dulos' ex-girlfriend. She will be appearing virtually. With the courts starting to ease their pandemic restrictions, though, Jennifer's family hopes closure can finally come sometime this year. Domestic violence advocates, meanwhile, hoping for changes in state law.
Almost 2 years to the day this mother of 5 disappeared. The family of Jennifer Farber Dulos says they're moved by the continued interest in her case. In their latest statement, they hope for closure, saying, although this past year has understandably slowed the process, the investigation into Jennifer's death and disappearance is ongoing. After the courts reopen, the 2 people charged with conspiracy to murder will stand trial. Those 2 are Kent Mawhinney and Michelle Triconis, the former attorney and ex-girlfriend of Fotis Dulos, Jennifer's estranged husband. Both are out on bond. Mawhinney was back in court just last week trying to remove his GPS monitoring ankle bracelet. His next court date is in July. Triconis, who was last in court virtually in February, also tried to get her ankle bracelet removed. Her attorney also argued against the state's plans to combine all of her charges, which includes tampering with evidence, into one case.
Look, you have one case where it's more that's gruesome and the others aren't. There's a more likelihood a jury's going to say, well, look at all these different charges. You put these cases together, if there's evidence of one, it's more likely going to convict of something just because of combining. That's the danger.
Outside the courtroom, Jennifer's case can be felt at the Capitol, where the Senate recently passed Jennifer's law, also in memory of Terryville mother Jennifer Magnano. If it becomes law, it would add coercive control to the state's domestic violence laws. Connecticut Protective Moms, an organization that helps families going through family court, says it's vital.
Coercive control takes the entirety and the patterns of behavior and looks at it all. So maybe these deaths could absolutely be preventable.
Triconis' hearing is set for Tuesday at 10 a.m. A vote has not been set in the House yet for Jennifer's law. Live in the newsroom, Dennis Valera, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.